আচ্ছা ফোন দেখো, ফোন আনবো। बेटा प्लीज फोन
हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में, हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में। शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरी ही धुन में गाए रे, शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरे ही रंग में नाचे रे। हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में, हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में। ज्ञान की धारा, गुरु एक ऐसे ज्ञान की धारा, गुरु बिन कौन जो सबका सहारा, गुरु बिन कौन जो सबका सहारा। गुरु एक ऐसी ज्ञान की धारा, गुरु एक ऐसी ज्ञान की धारा, गुरु बिन कौन जो सबका सहारा, गुरु बिन कौन जो सबका सहारा। हमको रंग दो तृप्ति रंग में, शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरी ही धुन में गाए रे, शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरे ही रंग में नाचे रे। हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में। गुरु बिन कोई काम न साजे, सबके दिलों में तुम हो विराजे। गुरु बिन कोई काम न साजे, सबके दिलों में तुम हो विराजे। संग जीवन खिले सब प्यारा, गुरु की महिमा ने सबको तारा। हमको तर दो मुक्ति रंग में, शाम सवेरे हम तेरी ही धुन में शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरे ही रंग में नाच रहे। हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में। सावली सूरत मोहिनी मूरत, सावली सूरत मोहिनी मूरत, सदके जाऊं ऐसे गुरु पर, सदके जाऊं ऐसे गुरु पर। सावली सूरत मोहिनी मूरत, सावली सूरत मोहिनी मूरत, सदके जाऊं ऐसे गुरु पर, सदके जाऊं ऐसे गुरु पर। हमको रंग दो श्रद्धा रंग में। शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरी ही धुन में गाए रे। शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरे ही रंग में नाच रे। हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में। हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में। हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में। शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरी ही धुन में गाए रे। शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरे ही रंग में नाचे रे। हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में। हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में। गुरु एक है सी ज्ञान की धारा गुरु एक ऐसे ज्ञान की धारा गुरु बिन कौन जो सबका सहारा गुरु बिन कौन जो सबका सहारा गुरु एक ऐसी ज्ञान की धारा गुरु एक ऐसी ज्ञान की धारा गुरु बिन कौन जो सबका सहारा गुरु बिन कौन जो सबका सहारा हमको रंग दो तृप्ति रंग में शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरी ही धुन में गाए रे शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरे ही रंग में नाच रे हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में गुरु बिन कोई काम न साजे सबके दिलों में तुम हो विराजे गुरु बिन कोई काम न साजे सबके दिलों में तुम हो विराजे संग जीवन खिले सब प्यारा गुरु की महिमा ने सबको तारा हमको तर दो मुक्ति रंग में शाम सवेरे तेरी ही धुन में गाए रे शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरे ही रंग में नाच रे हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में सूरत मोहिनी मूरत सावली सूरत मोहिनी मूरत सदके जाऊं ऐसे गुरु पर सदके जाऊं ऐसे गुरु पर सावली सूरत मोहिनी मूरत सावली सूरत मोहिनी मूरत सदके जाऊं ऐसे गुरु पर सदके जाऊं ऐसे गुरु पर हमको रंग दो श्रद्धा रंग में शाम सवेरे हम तो तेरी ही धुन में गाए रे, शाम सवेरे हमको तेरे ही रंग में नाचे रे, हमको रंग दो भक्ति रंग में।
Good evening to the evening session. Before we start, can you please confirm if you can hear us and see us? Good evening Pavan ji, Meenakshi ji, Tapasya, Priyanka, Sudhakar ji. Very good evening to evening session. Thank you so much for confirming, Tapasya. Welcome everyone to the evening sessions. We do this session Monday to Thursday now, and Friday we will have a watch party. Once again, we start our session with chanting Aam. But before we do that, I want you to bring your mind into this present moment. Like you, I also go to office, have family with 2 kids, and I understand the responsibilities of day-to-day life can be so draining. That is why I keep this in the evening, so you can rewind yourself and give this 1 hour just for yourself. Not for husband, not for wife, not for kids, not for anyone, just for yourself. So we can bring our mind, which is wandering whole day, to its home. We bring our body home, but mind never comes home. So we learn every day how to bring our mind home, and by just bringing it home, aligning it with our body, we receive immense peace. On the experiential basis, every day we see that there is a vast peace available, vast silence is available, and we can tap into this vast blissfulness anytime we want. whether it's day, night, evening. I want this experience to be extended throughout the day. We are not teaching here anything to do a miraculous change in our life. All we learning here how to improve our day-to-day life. How can I blissfully enjoy my whole day before retiring to the bed? And then again start my whole day with the fresh energy, with the stable mind and fit body. That's the only purpose of our evening sessions. So without wasting any time, let's start our sessions. First we'll chant Am 3 times. Keep your palm open to the sky. Keep your back straight. Throughout time we will try and practice to keep our back straight. Not letting it go like this. Gently closing your eyes. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Again taking long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly letting it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take one more long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. When you are breathing, ensure that you can feel your breath into your nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take your attention to both the palm and feel the palm from inside. Feel the fingers. Become aware of gap between the fingers. In another word, we are anchoring our wandering mind onto the palm. Anchor your mind onto the palm, feeling inner body, feeling inner palm, feeling fingers, feeling the gaps between fingers. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Again, take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. I will chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Again feel palm from inside. Two things: we will not create any resistance. If we create any resistance, we won't be able to learn meditation. Resistance to any sound, any unpleasant sensation, or even the kids at home will not create any resistance to any unwanted sound, noise, or the people inside our home. We will allow them to do what they are doing, and we will do what we are supposed to do. The whole point of meditation is not to let external events disturbing us. We understand that external events can only be powerful if I resist them. If I don't create any resistance about anything happening outside, I take back the remote control, and no one can hold your remote control and make you dance on their behavior. Whether it's office, whether it's home, anywhere we go, we keep our remote control in our hand by not resisting anything and letting everything happen as it is. No resistance, giving 100%, and anchoring our mind into the present moment will take us one step forward in the spiritual world. Our inner journey will begin, a beautiful mystical journey will begin, which has no end. And it will lead us to our ultimate destination. So when we start Kriya, please feel your movement of your neck, hand, feel the clothes touching your body, feel your breath. We anchor our mind into the present moment because mind always wants to wander in past and future. We understand that both past and future is nothing but the illusionary places, they are not real. Past is gone and buried, we cannot do anything about the past. Future hasn't come, it's an imagination. Our mind either lives into memory or to imagination, whereas the life is happening right now, right here in present moment. Every moment we cultivate a habit to be anchored into today, into present, and appreciate what this present moment brings to us. But since our mind has acquired this weakness for over a long period of time, we train it to be in present. The Kriya, Pranayam and meditation will help you to train this mind to be in present and let you live the life instead of living life into the head. We come out of the head and live in reality, not into the imaginary land of future, nor the dead land of past. We train our mind, we train our body to be in this present moment. Slowly, slowly turn your neck towards left, feeling the movement of your neck. Go as much as possible till it gets fully stretched. Slowly, slowly bring your right palm. Feel the movement of palm putting on right cheek. Press your right cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly palm going down. Feel the movement of your palm, the neck going towards opposite side. Until it stretches fully. Keep going. Then slowly, slowly bringing your left palm up towards your cheek. Feel the movement of your palm. Feel the touch of your palm onto the cheek. Press your cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly palm going down. Feel the movement of your palm going down. Neck coming into the center. Both the palm onto your forehead. Press your forehead onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. Make sure you anchor your mind into the movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly, hand bringing down, neck going towards left. Be very mindful of all the movements. Palm going towards your right cheek, pressing right cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly, palm going down. Be very mindful, anchoring the mind into the present moment, turning towards opposite side as much as you can, feeling the movement of your neck. Going back, putting your left palm slowly, slowly onto cheek, pressing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly, hand going down, feeling the movement of your neck. Both the palm onto the forehead, pressing your forehead onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. Agni Chakra, the top one. The sixth chakra in the body is Agni Chakra. Press your head onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bringing hand down slowly, slowly. Vishuddhi Chakra, neck going towards chest, touching the chest and then going up from right side, slowly, slowly, feeling the rotation of our neck. Very gently and slowly, half rotation only, bringing to center, then going reverse. Train your mind and body to be in one place, to be in present. Then going back. Vishuddhi Chakra, also known as throat chakra, deals with truth and always blocked by lies. Now both the hand on the knee, doing rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that you anchor your mind into the present by feeling the rotations, by feeling the body movements. Anahata Chakra, heart chakra, both the palm onto the thigh, pressing, stretching backwards, feeling the rib cage. 1, 2. With counting, try to do more and more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eyes close and feel the stretch in your rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anchor your mind into the movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now Manipuraka chakra, 1 inch above navel, taking our forehead to the left knee, slowly, slowly feeling the stretch near navel, coming back. Become observer of your own mind and body without judging them. Become observer of all the thoughts, all the sensation on body towards right. Again slowly, slowly coming back. Align your mind, body and energy into this present moment. Again going back slowly, slowly. In the center, again going back towards right. Feel the movement of your body. Watch your body and mind as a third person. Now full rotation from left, center, right, with the support of your both the hand going back as much as coming down, center, going back as much as possible. Slowly, slowly feeling the circle of your body. Become aware of all the thoughts, sensation on the body. Now we'll go reverse. Feel the air touching your face, the cold touching your face. Relax. Now Swadhisthana chakra, opening left leg straight, putting right leg onto the left thigh, bringing it to chest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Bring your attention to this present moment. Bring your mind home. The home for our mind is into body. And mind keeps wandering. Our body comes home, but mind always keeps wandering. Our mind, opposite leg, is the major drainage of energy happens in our mind. 1, 2. Mind should be only active when we employ it for any activity. When we are not doing any activity, there is no need of any thinking. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Swadhisthana chakra, this is the second chakra from the bottom, deals with pleasure and often blocked by guilt. The next one is Shishupalasana, rocking baby pose. Eyes closed. Feel the energy at the bottom of spine. Muladhara chakra, also called root chakra, is the first chakra in body which deals with survival instinct and often blocked by fear. We activate the energy from bottom of our spine, which can then travel further up, exploring the higher dimension of life. Kiss your baby on the toes. Now, because since we have twin baby, we take another opposite leg and again rock the baby, feeling the energy at the root chakra, which is bottom of your spine. This body and mind is an amazing instrument only if we know how to use it. Otherwise, they become the worst enemy, not letting us experience the beauty of life. Kiss your baby again. Very good. To stabilize our asana, we will do Shishupal asana. Butterfly pose, Titli asana. Going down as much as possible and then going up as much as possible. Up, down, 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 up, down. Go as much as possible. This will stabilize your foundation. Very good. Now we'll do pranayama. First pranayama we'll do Bhastrika. Then we'll do Kapal Bharti. And then we'll do Anulom Vilom, 3 rounds of each. Pranayama brings the much needed oxygen on cellular level. The cells get rejuvenated. The food for our cells is into the oxygen, and because of our unconscious thinking, we have developed this weakness of shallow breathing. If we breathe deep in and out, we force more oxygen to go into our bloodstream through our lungs, rejuvenating all the body cells, getting rid of all the toxin. In this pranayama or conscious breathing, we keep our mouth closed and only with the nose we breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep doing. Relax. Hold attention in your head. Experience the rejuvenating process in your brain. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep doing. Relax. Put the palm on lap. Feel the sensation on your palm. Tingling sensation. Flow of blood. Any kind of sensation. Anchor your mind onto your palm. One more last time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep doing. Forcefully breathe in, forcefully breathe out. Relax. Hold attention on your palm, anchoring your mind onto the palm. Become aware of the silence. Create no resistance to any unwanted sounds or sensation. Recognize the stillness, recognize the silence. Kapalbhati, keeping mouth closed, we only exhale out, do not inhale. Inhalation will happen automatically. Force all the carbon dioxide to go out, which will create space for oxygen. Start. Relax. Become aware of silence. Try to listen to silence without judging, without any mental dialogue. Just observe the silence. Try to listen to silence. Acknowledge the vastness of silence available. One more time, start. Relax. Again, acknowledge the silence surrounding you, peace surrounding you. Acknowledging the availability of peace and silence and its vastness, its abundance. One more last time. Start. Relax. Observe the silence. Alternate nostril breathing. Put your right thumb on your right nostril. Take long and deep breathing. Close your left nostril. Exhale through opposite nostril. Breathe in from right nostril. Exhale through opposite nostril. Inhale through left nostril. Exhale through right nostril. Again inhale through right nostril. Exhale through left nostril. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Take long and deep breath in, long and deep breath out. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Keep long and deep breath in, long and deep breath out. Keep taking long and deep breath in, long and deep breath out. Long and deep breath in, long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in, long and deep breath out. Breathe in, breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Take long and deep breath in, breathe out. Relax. Keep your back straight, both the palm open to sky on the lap. Gentle smile on the face. Create no resistance to any sound, noise or unpleasant sensation. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. We'll chant Am 7 times. Take long and deep breath in. When humming, keep your teeth on teeth and feel the vibration into your spine. Take long and deep breath in. 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 One more last time. Take long and deep breath in. Sit silently, don't do nothing. Just be observer of everything. Just do nothing, sit idly. Do nothing. Just be observer of everything happening without judging, analyzing, or comparing. Just try to sit with your own company. Feel the sensation on your face. Try to recognize the nature of sensation, which is impermanent. You will see that there are thousands of sensations come on your face, either pleasant or unpleasant. And if you concentrate on that particular sensation, you will see that every sensation, whether it's heat, cold, is temporary, impermanent. Experience that on your own. Take your attention to your nostril and watch natural incoming breath. Just become observer of your own mind without judging. Just sit silently, do nothing. Take the attention to your breath and watch the natural breath coming in, going out, coming in, going out. Do nothing. Just observe the incoming breath, observe the outgoing breath. Observe the silence, observe your mind, observe your thoughts. Create no resistance. Whatever is happening, let it happen. Let go of all the thoughts, let go of all the worries, let go of all the emotions. Just sit simply as an awareness, doing nothing. Just sit silently, do nothing. Just observe what is going in your head as a third person. Don't say good, don't say bad. Just observe. योगरतो वा भोगरतो वा संगरतो वा संगविन यस्य ब्राह्मणे रमते चित्त यस्य ब्राह्मणे रमते चित्त नंदति नंदति नंदठेवा नंदति नंदति नंदठेवा सत्संगत्वे निसंगत्वम् निसंगत्वे निर्मोहत्वम् निर्मोहत्वे निश्चलतत्वम् निर्मोहत्वे निश्चलतत्वम् निश्चलतत्वे जीवन मुक्ति निश्चलतत्वे जीवन मुक्ति पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि पुनरपि मरणम् पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणम् पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम् इह संसारे बहुदुष्टारे इह संसारे बहुदुष्टारे कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते. Adi Shankaracharya saying, around 1200 years ago, Adi Shankaracharya said, neither the people who live commercial life nor the people who are into spirituality will attain the ultimate truth. Only people who will do the tapa, practice, sadhana of sitting with the eyes closed and try to understand the functioning of the mind and the functioning of the body, functioning of the thoughts, functioning of the emotions on their own experience will one day attain to ultimate truth, which will liberate them from all the sorrows, all the sadness there is in this world. In one of the phrases it says, Iha sansare bahudushtare, says this world is very cruel. Please bless us, O Almighty. When he refers to the world very cruel, he does not refer to the world outside. What he is referring to the world inside your head, because nobody can give us more misery than our own thoughts. So he is saying the world doesn't live outside, world lives inside your head. When the world disappears from your inside head, you attain the final liberation. Take long and deep breath in. Long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Long and deep breathe out. Whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel fulfilled, whenever you feel like opening your eyes, you may open your eyes. If you are online, just say hello so I know you are there and I can respond to you so I know who all did meditation with me today. Once again, we are very thankful that you come online and do this sadhana, which is practice. Because when you do it, the peace it brings to you also gets spread among the society, among the people you touch. The jnana which we discuss here will touch many people without your knowledge, and you will become an anchor to the peace. Thank you so much for joining. I am going to play one of my favorite bhajan. It has an English subtitle. If you listen carefully and read carefully, it is everything what we teach here. It's one of my favorite. So once the bhajan is finished, then our session will finish. I am reading your comments and will respond.
ਜਾਗਣ ਨਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੌਣ, ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਤਸ਼ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਪੌਣ, ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਗਾਉਣ, ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਬੈਠਣ ਨਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੌਣ। ਬੁੱਲਾ ਸ਼ਾਖੜਾ ਹੈ ਕੌਣ, ਬੁੱਲਾ ਕੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਮੈਂ 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 ਕੌਣ।
Thank you very much for joining. Good night.